All right, this video is going to show you the process that I take in making custom wigs and selling them online. And we already know the first thing you do is make your wigs and style them, but you do need to understand how to do photography of your work in order for it to look sellable or interesting to a customer or a client. But I'm actually showing you from this being sent to an actual client for a wig that they ordered from me. And I'm showing you how you can actually take really good photos of your product, in this case, custom wigs. You do need a nice background. All you have to use is your cell phone. It's not that hard. You don't have to have all these lights, camera, action thing going on, but just definitely take some really good photos. So you see, I'm using my camera to kind of just give you an idea that you need to make sure that you have every aspect of this wig photographed. Here are a few examples of what they look like. You have your front, your 3/4, you have your side, and then another frontal 3/4, and having your back view. So this gives the client or the consumer more information of what you are selling. Now, the second thing that you want to do is not only take pictures of the wigs with them being worn on a wig head. In this case, you also want to make sure you take pictures of the inside of the wig. This is quality, showing the consumer the quality. What are they getting? Are they getting a lace frontal? Are they getting a full lace wig? Is it ventilated and sewn, or is it a complete machine sewn wig? So you notice here that I'm still using the exact same wig head to take photos of the inside of the wig. I had to bleach the knots on the closure of this lace frontal for the client. So all of these things should be photographed so that you're giving your customer complete information about your product. It does not matter if you've made it or someone else made it and you're doing a drop shipping method. So in a bit here, I'm going to show you some video references of how the photos would look or should look if you are taking pictures of the inside of your wig. So here you see, this is my camera giving you an idea of how you want to make sure this is placed on a wig head. You need the very top, you need the back, and you need all sides. So keep that in mind. Here's other ideas that you can go for to market your wigs, and you can also use a model, and that's me. So make sure you check out the very first video on how to set up your account with CUSTOMWIGSMART. Once you set up your account, your next step is to start taking photos of your product based off the information that you just learned here. Make sure you get the view of it styled on a mannequin or on a model, whether it's you or someone else. And also make sure you take pictures of the inside of the wig. This is very important that you do this so that you're giving your customer more information. Stay tuned for the last tutorial where I show you how to add products to CUSTOMWIGSMART, and I will see you guys in that tutorial.